Ayan, number one na question is, what recommendation can you make with regards to the three issues and concern of information technology and hospitality industry? Magbigay lang na tatlong three issues na concern sa informations. Yung tatlong na yun is cybersecurity and data privacy. And number two naman is legacy systems in infrastructure. Number three is staff training and technology. Yung number 1 ko dito is cybersecurity and data privacy. Pag sinabi natin cybersecurity and data privacy, for example, yung password mo dapat ikaw lang nakakaalam kung ano yung mga passwords mo para hindi ma-access ng iba. And then yung sunod naman is legacy system and infrastructure. Pag sinabi natin na legacy system and infrastructure, ito yung mga matagal na ginagamit like Microsoft Word na hanggang ngayon is ginagamit pa din siya. Diba? And then yung third naman is staff training and technology adoption. For example, dito is mobile banking. Ang mobile banking ito yung mga ginagamit ng online banking para masolusyonan yung pagbayad sa mobile na nabago ng sector, diba? And then yung number 2 naman, sabi dito is how can business owners, managers ensure that business tools are used properly by their employees share? Yung example dito is the sell the value, not just a tool. Yung the highlights, the benefits po is, for example, education. Diba, once nakapagtungtong ka na ng daycare, and then kapag natapos mo yun, need mo na yun i-highlight. And then yung benefits nun is yung nakakapagtapos ka ng daycare. And then sunod-sunod na yun, pag tapos mo ng daycare, kinder na ma'am. And then pagkatapos mo nun, i-highlights mo na naman siya. Yung showcase real world application, example dito is education. And then yung mga ginagamit for education like smartphone, ito yung mga pinaka-importante sa estudyante, yung smartphone. Kasi once na may pinapagawa yung prof nila na hindi nila kaya, parang pumunta sila sa AI or yung CC na sinasabi. Parang dun sila naghahanap na mapagkuhaan ng mga examples ng mga binigay na kanila mga proof. Sabi dito, identify 3 security tools that are ideal in keeping the tools and technology in hospitality industry. Explain which departments in hotel these security tools will be useful and how. Yung number 1 ko dito is instructions detection system. Yung example ko dito is yung when your sisters enter puts your conversation with that girl from the class. That's instructions. If someone breaks into your home, that's also instruction. Yung sunod naman dito is data loss prevention. The data loss prevention is a security solution that identifies and helps prevent unsafe or inappropriate sharing, transfer, or use of sensitive data. Yun po yung examples ng data loss prevention. And then yung pangatlo naman is multi-factor authentications. Multi-factor authentication or MFA is a multi-steps account login process that requires users to enter more information than just a password. For example, it is along with the password, user might be asked to enter a code sent to their email, answer a secret questions, or scan fingerprint. Yung examples ng multi-factor authentications or tinatawag natin na MFA.